What's up guys, 𝐄𝐪𝐮𝐢 here from 𝐿𝐷. So if you're watching this video, you most likely got the error code 2A67. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to change your Valvetronics motor. So it's located right there on the engine block. And the process is actually quite simple. Now the first thing you want to do is remove the coils, the ones nearby the Valvetronic. You want to get rid of those because they are going to be in your way. So move the first one and move the one on the other side right over here. I already did that. Now the next step, you want to unclip it from its power source and make sure your battery is disconnected. You want to disconnect the negative terminal. All right, set this aside. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a bit, which is 1/4. We're going to be using that to remove these two screws here. So I'm going to give you a closer look to see what that looks like. Now be ready to catch the screw. The last thing you want is for it to fall inside of here. All right, so now after you remove the two screws, you're gonna realize that it's still tight and it's not moving whatsoever. There's a reason for this, and I'm gonna show you right now. So now that you know where the third and last screw is located, you're gonna have to move this out the way in order to get a better angle to be able to take it out. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove these two screws, and it's a different size than what I'm currently using right now. I believe it's a 8mm. Let me verify. Yep. So these screws actually uses the 8mm head. Set that aside. Do the same thing with this one. All right, now you should be able to shift this bar out the way slightly, just like that. Now that's enough room for me to fit my screwdriver into here and just take that third nut off. Let me do that now. Be ready to catch this one specifically. It's difficult to get if it does fall. You're not going to be able to locate it. There it is. Now there you have it guys, this is the Valvetronic motor. If somehow yours ended up failing, then your engine's not going to operate the way it's supposed to. So I am going to recommend that you buy a replacement part. Let me know what car you have and I'll be sure to assist you with finding the parts down below. I am going to have my specific part for the 2006 BMW 525i. Now, if you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, 𝐿𝐷 here from 𝐿𝐷. You already know I'm out. Peace.